Are you ready, sister?
Oh, hi guys, didn't see you there.
Sure, you didn't.
Really?
Sure.
Okay, so basically, today we're going to bake cinnamon rolls with my beans right here. One bean is behind the camera. Okay, bean is camera shy. Just have sugar in this, nothing special. Just held it for the look of it. So basically, we're going to make cinnamon rolls today. इन बच्चों ने बड़े प्यार से डो तैयार कर लिया है. And she's just cleaning the kitchen for the aesthetics, you know. So we're going to start baking time.
Wait.
Please don't say that.
Baking time. Why are you so low? I don't understand. Yeah, thank
What the
you so
heck?
much.
You were telling me to rise it more, sister.
Rise for the national anthem.
You were telling me
It
to
has
rise
risen
it
for the national anthem.
Why is it like red
Because
boys?
Wait.
It was under the plate. Something was under the plate. Don't worry. Sister, don't do that. Are you dumb?
Okay.
Can you take it out? Wait.
Just like scrape like that. Yeah, good. Keep going.
Fine.
Should I put more flour in?
Yeah, please just sprinkle on top. You put it on the counter and then sprinkle on top. No, first put it on the counter.
So there's maida on my camera. Okay, so I'm trying to get on the action like that because she's doing the fun job.
Not really.
Why?
I'm under pressure.
Let someone else do it then.
Okay, Iman, come back. We need you. Where?
We have a new chef.
Baby chef. The dough.
I think that's thin enough. Give me butter.
You do half of it. I will do half.
अब हम लगाएंगे इसके ऊपर मक्खन.
Please don't.
I'm turning into Shirina for it. Shirina for Zarna Kappa. You choose.
No, Shireen, definitely.
We have to put a thin layer, right?
No, just thicker than that. Use all of it. You need to use all of the butter.
Yeah, but I don't want to run out of it here. You know what I'm saying?
No. Just put all of the butter in one place and just spread it out.
That's
No.
so sad.
Alexa. Okay, now I will do the rest.
No,
Yeah.
you did the thing.
No, I didn't even.
You did the kneading thing.
Even
You have to do the dance too.
Which
the Pada
dance?
Yeah, that one. I see the one that you do.
No, give.
No!
Give.
Do something.
I just want to do this corner, sister.
No.
Yeah.
It's mine. All the corners are mine.
Excuse me, what did you? Oh.
Okay, my hands are full of butter.
Lick them. Moisturizer.
The dough is तैयार. I'm sorry if my hair is bothering you. मैंने बंद करने की कोशिश की है. इससे ज़्यादा मैं बंद नहीं कर सकती. But this is what the dough is looking like. Please close your hair. लेकिन यहाँ पे अब brown sugar और cinnamon का mixture तैयार हो रहा है. Then we're going to put this in. My channel is turning into Masala TV. Not sorry for it.
And you are turning into Shireen. Yes, oh, I just spilled.
Spilt the cinnamon tea. But don't put a lot in one place. Just fill these gaps.
Fill these gaps. Khali jagah pur kare, please.
Still a bald patch, sister. It needs transplant.
Crazy Dance movie.
So are you supposed to do it this way?
I'm trying this.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, please.
Okay, you can see my mistakes even better now.
Yeah.
So basically, how are you guys doing?
Have you subscribed to my channel yet?
Yes. Have you?
Have you?
If not, please जो लाल button है उसे click करें.
लाल बटन को सफेद कर दीजिए.
Grey. It's not so fun. Sorry.
YouTube stand.
So sister, this is not equal. This is fat and this is thin.
Me too.
True. Also, cinnamon roll stands. Cinnamon roll scientists are going to be like, sister.
I
You're
don't
wrong.
think those exist.
Sister, this is so.
But I. Manjalika.
You are exposed.
Manjalika is here. Exposed. Okay, back to the food.
At work.
What a domestic goddess. Ready for her stuff.
We stand.
Please don't send your
I know you want to, but please control
I know
yourself.
it's hard to control yourself
Yeah.
right now, but try to.
That's gonna be in the vlog.
The cinnamon police is coming.
It looks so sad, Alexa. Despacito.
Roll it aage towards.
Definitely
Sentences.
English.
Who
Coming
wants
very
to cut
slow.
it?
Give me the dhaga version. Dhaga is like goodbye. It's going to be so bad. I'm prepared.
Sister, are you sure you do it like that?
Sister, you're supposed to get the tray out of the oven first to put
It
it on.
looks good.
Well, not, but like
It does.
almost.
Almost there. At least the swirls are there. I didn't expect that.
I think that was thick.
That's good. That's good. Don't make it thinner than that.
We don't want cinnamon biscuits. Time for the pickles. They're so big. My
I think they need a little bit more. I think.
Okay.
I think we should put them in now.
We're going to put them in now. Okay. The oven
look
is
at
done. What does this look like? Like, these are the rolls and they look so nice. Wait, let me see if we're in focus. They do actually look really nice. This one looks really sad.
Than me. That's me. No, this one is.
No,
me.
this one is yours.
Not small.
But
it's my aesthetic.
Chef Rida is putting it in.
Not really.
True.
Goodbye. Bake well.
Like put them downer.
Are you sure?
Yeah. They're too up. They're burned from the top.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm literally just put them in and I'm scared of burning my hands. Stupid Rida.
Bye bye, beans.
Okay, remind me halfway to turn this on.
Guys, they're out of the oven and
Oh my god!
and we're scared कि ये ज़्यादा crispy ना हो. I hope ज़्यादा
Crisp rat.
We don't want a crisp rat again, you know. Also, by the way, we followed a feud fusion ki recipe.
Feud fusion.
Feud fusion. Feudal lord.
What the heck?
Have you not heard about that book? Anyway, it's going to be in the description. If it's not, just Google it. So, are we going to eat this now? Okay, so here we have one. Pour it, please. Sad one. Excuse me.
What the heck? The kid is flying.
Okay, you didn't do a great job at that.
I'm
But
sorry. Sad reacts.
please
You
put
want
some more, yeah.
more? This is mine.
Yeah, this is hers. It looks a little bit more like cinnamon, but okay. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, so basically we look very ugly, so we're wearing these.
And also, it's too early to care right now. It's 8:23. This time check is brought to you by Limupani.
It's brought to you by Chola Mani.
Also, I
Chola
can
Mani
see
sponsor
such
me.
weird colors because, like, the inside of these sunglasses are blue. So I have a filter.
And the outside of these sunglasses are ugly. Because you look at
Because
yourself.
you can see your own reflection.
Where are we going?
Okay, so basically.
Okay, so basically.
Someone leave in the comments how many times we said okay, so basically.
Yeah, someone count them.
Okay.
So basically.
So we wanted to go to Seaview. Kinantika Seaview. And are we going there still? I don't have any sunblock on.
You want to go to McDonald's? No, we're not going to Seaview. We're going to do a round Seaview and come back. We're not that energetic to go to Seaview and go in the water.
True. The guy was eating his nashta in his car.
Nice.
Also driving while at it.
That's something I would do. But also will die if I try.
Do you know the Cholapuri place?
I kind of do, but I kind of don't. We'll get Suleimani parathas.
Good meme.
Because we think we don't need that extra oil in our system to clog our arteries.
But we want it.
Also,
If they have fries right now, then
let's go ask them. Hello?
hello.
Hello?
This is
Got
legit.
any fries? Also, I can't open this window, so what are we going to do? Can you go at the back? Yeah, go at the back, sit on this side, give the order. Hello! Hi sisters.
बाजी दुपट्टा लटक रहा है बाहर. What they have? What do we want?
There's a dog, it's so cute. It's so cute, it was husky.
That guy, I think, was low-key scared for Okay, so what are we asking?
Wow, Bayview Academy W. Do you
Okay,
know
so
this?
listen, what are we asking for?
What? We're asking for fries and ice cream. Do you want ice cream?
I want chai.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Sister, don't get chai from here, sis.
It's nice, it's a nesty.
Are you dumb? How rich are you to get chai? Excuse me, school people do not have school. Children? Children, go to school. Children. What the heck? Okay, so basically, I hope they heard me. Children, go to school.
Okay, so basically I'm asking for fries, ice cream and chai.
You want chai? Get a cone for me.
Let's just get my wallet out.
Oops. Okay,
Giving you
listen.
3:30. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Next window, please.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm just coming back.
Wait, get your things first. Or just get out of the... Never mind.
No, wait. Go in front. I think there's somebody's going to peep us.
Okay, wait.
We're done, sis.
What about the fries?
Sis, the fries were not available.
Rude.
Yeah.
Let's do a turn around.
Maybe we'll find the dog.
Let's hope we find the dog. I want the dog.
Maybe he's going for
Can
a
you do
walk.
a reverse? Change it to reverse. Are we on a date?
Let's just show you guys the scene because we're too lazy to
Look at the cat. It's the same cat.
Hello, cat. Hello, Paparwala. Hello, sea. Hello, cultist that's leaving. We turn it up.
Wait, pause the song. Wait. Let's get the paratha. And after we're done getting the paratha, we can jam.
We can do a jam.
The paratha guy. Open your shisha and tell him to give 2 Suleimani parathe. Yaad se Suleimani.
भाई सुने 2 सुलेमानी पराठे करने. Just acted like he knew what I was about.
याद से सुलेमानी.
याद से सुलेमानी.
तेल ना हो.
तेल ना हो उसमें. ठीक है? Like shut up, bitch. I know what I'm doing. So good though.
Love me some parathas first thing in the morning. Really helps with the fat.
Rise in China trees. Are you sure this is going to be enough for both of us? I think.
Yeah, yes.
I'm just greedy.
It's chole. Chene, whatever you call it. Look at the oil.
All
Oil. More artery clogging.
America is on its way.
Go send this picture.
What the heck? The umbrella literally just fell.
What the heck? The oil dripping close up.
Sis, it's Suleimani. So basically, time to jam.
It's like,
Get out of the Tangali first, then we can jam.
it's okay sis, we can jam in the Dangali also.
Mood 2018 mood.
I like it. Why is he...
That's not a visual. I needed this early.
I saw it.
I had like quick look and it wasn't pretty.
Shut your mouth. If you don't know the name, know it, baby. Know it, baby. I'm in the middle of picking it up. I just want you to come with me. Sing the haram part. I like Demi Lovato. I just remembered there's Demi Lovato. Right? We stand Demi Lovato.
We stand a
since
queen.
Like 2010. Ooh. On my own. These boys are big my zone. No more. No more.
We're home. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
So goodbye. It was great having you around. Bye.